What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So for the video today, I wanted to go over more credit cards. This time I'm going to be talking about credit cards with the best sign-up bonuses. And I know a lot of people want to take advantage of sign-up bonuses because from what I've seen, they say that credit card bonuses are going to diminish. So definitely look into getting some of these cards or any cards that really have bonuses, to tell you the truth. So before I get into the detail of this video, if you can give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. Also, if you could subscribe and hit that notification button so you never miss out on any of my videos. Like I said before, I'm doing a giveaway, 2 Amazon gift cards when I hit my 1,000 subscriber mark. So definitely put your name in the hat for that. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button and you're entered. Like I said, I really wanted to go over this because a lot of people want to take advantage of a sign-up bonus, of free money, really. I like free money. I don't know about you, but I like free money. So if there's any chance that you can get free money, definitely take it. And these cards will allow you to get that. It's just you have to go a certain period of time, spend a certain amount of money, and make sure you spend wisely, because a lot of these cards try and get you trapped, and there's a lot of people that go out there and try and overspend. You don't need to overspend. You spend normally. So the first card that I wanted to go over that has a great sign-up bonus is the Capital One Saver card. This will give you a $500 bonus if you spend $3,000 in the first month. I don't know about you, but $500 sounds great, and I can definitely spend $3,000 in the first month. So if you can get a free $500, then that's definitely great, but you just have to spend like you normally spend. If you're not gonna spend $3,000 in the first month, don't get it, because then you're gonna overspend, and that's what these credit card companies are pushing for. Make sure that you understand your spending. But this card offering you $500 for spending $3,000 in the first month is definitely a great deal. And they also have other benefits. I might as well list the benefits of the card, and then you can go and look into it. I'll have the links to all of these cards down below, so definitely look into them. So to go into some of the detail, you get 4% back on dining and entertainment, 2% back on groceries. The only con to this card is you have a $95 annual fee. So technically, you're only bringing in about $400 if you do the sign-up bonus, but it's still a free $400. You can't really beat that. I'll take a free $400 any day. The next card that gives you a good sign-up bonus is the Wells Fargo Cashwise card. They give you $200 if you spend $1,000 in your first 3 months. So this one is a lot more attainable to a normal spender if you're talking about just like a gas bill, electric bill, some things like that. Then in 3 months, you can definitely get up to there without overspending. I just hope that you don't go and buy regular purchases with it and don't apply it to your bills, because bills are spending that you have to do. So like I said before, make sure, and I can't stress this enough, that you put it on normal spending. Details for this card is that you have 1.5% cash back. So you can definitely look into that while you are spending your $1,000 in the first 3 months. So 1.5, not bad, but it's more or less for the bonus. So the Capital One Quicksilver, that's a card that I talked about before. I like this card. I have this card. You get $150 when you spend $500 in the first 3 months. So that's definitely doable. $500 is easy to spend, especially when you're spending on bills. So that's a free $150. So make sure that you take advantage of that offer. And they also have 1.5% cash back. So like I said before, you're gaining the 1.5% cash back as you're spending the $500 that you need to spend. Next is the Chase Freedom Unlimited card. It's exactly the same as the Quicksilver card. You get $150 if you spend $500 in your first 3 months. Also 1.5% cash back. So, I mean, like I said before, this is free money and you can't turn it down. So definitely look into that offer. Finally, we get to the Bank of America Cash Rewards card. This is set up the same way as the last 2 cards when it comes to bonus, but it does have a couple more perks that you can look into, but it's mainly for the bonus. This is what this video is all about. So when you spend $500, you get $150. So that's definitely a great deal. Other perks to this card are 3% back on your choice category, and then also 2% back on grocery and wholesale. So like I said before, sign-up bonuses are great, and definitely take advantage of them if you can. If you have the credit score to be able to take advantage of these cards, definitely do so, because you get free money. You don't want to turn down free money. I never turn down free money, because you can take that money, you can put it in the stock market or invest it, and then you can just let it sit, gain 2%, or whatever you want to do. Short-term investment, long-term investment, but you have free money to do with it what you will. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. If you can, hit that like button, comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this video. If any of these cards you did have and you got the bonus and you also use them on a regular basis, definitely talk to me down below. I want to communicate with everybody who's watching these videos. So again, thank you. Also hit that subscribe button and notification button so you never miss out on anything that I post. Like I said before, I'm doing a giveaway, so definitely stay tuned for that giveaway. Once I reach my 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away 2 Amazon gift cards. So definitely put your name in the hat. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button. Thank you again, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.